partition. What is partition? Let S be a non-empty set. Yeah. Then a partition of S. Then a partition of S is a collection of non-empty disjoint subset of S whose union is S. Whose union is S. This is the most important thing. So for an example, this is the definition, but in particular what we have to do is the question said that you find the partition of the set S. Then what we have to do? We have to do two things. Let an example, let A, B, C, be a non-empty subset of S, okay? And P be the partition which are A, B, C, If this P को partition कहेंगे if the following properties are hold. One, the first property is A union B union C that's exactly equals to the particular set. This is the first property. And the second property is the class property, which is either two sets are equal or disjoint. That's either A equal B or A intersection B equals to phi. For all A, B, C belongs to P. Okay. Let's an example and check if the partition of the set. Let's start an example. Let A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B equals to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. C equals to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Where S, what is S? S is a whole set. That's element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. So all the element of L. So S is that set. Okay? A, B, C are that. Okay. So we find the partition of S. Find partition of S. We have first checked that A union B union C equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, which exactly equals to is the first property hold, and the second property is either they are identical or they are disjoint. So check A intersection B, that's phi, and B intersection C, that's also phi, and A intersection C, that's also phi. So the two properties said that this is the union of the whole set is equals to S, and the intersection of that is either identical or disjoint. They are disjoint. So this is a partition of S. This is for the whole term. In particular, if P equals to 1, 2, 3, then the partition of 1, 2, 3 are 1, 2, 3. This is the first partition. Second partition is 1, 2, 3. Second partition. Third partition 2, 3, 1, and the last partition is 3, 1, 2. These are the partition of 1, 2, 3. In particular, okay, discuss some important example of relation. Okay, so what is the example? First, give an example in the interview and exam. These are very important. Tell that give an example of relation which is 1. Symmetric and reflexive but not transitive. Another, give an example, reflexive and transitive. But not symmetric. So we discuss this two example and then we discuss another. Okay. So the first, let A be an set 1, 2, 3. The relation, we have to define that relation. Relation 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. These are, that's reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Then symmetric is 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. This relation is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Yeah. We just elaborate in Hindi how it is come. So for this set, the reflexive relations are, that's 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3, and these are reflexive. And for this set, the symmetric relation are 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, symmetric. जो क्वेश्चन पे कहा गया है कि सिमेट्रिक एंड रिफ्लेक्सिव, सो वी concatenate these two but not transitive. The set's transitive elements are what? 1, 2, 1, 3, sorry 2, 3, that's 1, 3. If in the question said that they are also transitive, then we put also all transitive relations in this particular set. Okay, so the first case is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. This is the relation which is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Okay, but 2, second number क्या कहा है कि reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. So take another set. Let another set A equals to 1, 2 dot 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 dot, not the set of all natural number. Okay, which to be defined, that is R. What is R? R is X is a divisor of Y. Then A is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Why this is not transitive? Such that X, Y belongs to natural number. So this, why this is not transitive? Because sorry, not symmetric. Why this is not symmetric? Because 3 divides 9 but 9 does not divide 3. 3 divides 9 but 9 does not divide 3. Since 3 and 9 belongs to natural number, so this particular form
violate the symmetric condition.